A house cat can run to the speed of about 30 miles per hour. Cat facts that will blow your mind. The last one is bananas. The oldest cat to ever live was Cream Puff, who lived to be 38 years and 3 days old. R.I.P. Cream Puff. The wealthiest cat in the world, Blackie, had a fortune of $12.5 million when Blackie's millionaire owner passed away. A group of kittens is called a kindle. Cats usually sleep around an average of 15 hours per day. This means that a cat spends roughly 70% of their lives sleeping. Studies show you get smarter every day if you follow me.